nigga straight because the liver costs 10 grand. Me and my man was gonna get 4 of them on the death curve. Shout out to the
Come on.
chilling with the cool idiots in the motherfucking HigH hotel. This is how we do it. Koolie gang, baby. That's the logo. That's what they know. Yeah, look, he tagged it. Yo, next time a bitch you off, call her pal. She ain't gonna know what to say. That's what you do. Then if she say something, say yeah. You know, with that expired milk and shit, that shit will be in the grass. That's what we do. Alright, okay, I like you, bro.
See the green screen? Straight grass, bitch.
Start using cows.
That's what you know. All you know is green. Not money, but green. Grass.
Come
From living sad to see the lane. I know slums, they get like fast and he the bang.
All the cows in Lakeville.
Shit, fuck that. Turn that music shit off.
This is it.
Go ahead. I just want to hear some shit. I'm drunk and I want to hear that.
I got shit.
Oh, we got the ugly cam out here. What is it called?
Go ahead.
UglyTV?
They know.
Yeah.
I got a
UglyTV,
joint
some shit.
Passenger seat, zooming by you other fools, see the recline blowing, I'm feeling comfortable. The drama queen hitting my hip up like a bugaboo. I smoke in one day what'll last you like a month or two. I'm in the booth, we making hits, white bitches running through. It's hard to focus, but guess what? That's what I'm gonna do. Me, hood, cheek, we smoking blunt or two. And now it's time to go in like freaks coming through.
Come on.
Go ahead and laugh it off. My flow is back
Come
and forth
on.
just like a game of racquetball. I'm your teacher in high school, no slacking off. I ride any beat right, but if it's whack or raw. The smart chicks you're welcome to, don't take your glasses off. Sit back, relax in style, and watch me pass the ball. And ain't no losing it, pickers always choosing it. And ain't no way that we losing shit. Bitches in different time zones. Yes, I'm in my grind mode, so I'm gonna get my grind on until I get my sign on. Then I hit rewind home, I'm gonna get my grind on until I get my sign on.
Extra fresh is the truth for real. I hope you got no plans, cause you about to get your future killed. I'm filled with the booth to grill, and I'll fuck niggas up like I don't really have to use the steel. I'm real, I'm ill, I chill, y'all all whack. The 4 clap, 6 caps to your jaw crack. My boy stack 6-pack and let the ratchet spit, and make you niggas disappear like a magic trick. Your tracks the shit, my stars getting cash to them. I spit hard and be ball like a stab wound. I'm on my job, so you're broad, I'ma smash soon. And have a licking on my balls in the bathroom.
Come on.
Pack fume. That niggas can't buy your buzz. And fuck hey man, Blade got that fire buzz. Bitch K's move working, I'm supplying drugs. First gotta check your shirt for the wire, cause you buying your dubs. Nigga, I'ma pass that.
Go before you, fuck it.
Go ahead, what you want to do?
Yo, when I first seen Vado do his thing, dude, I'm like, this shit I gotta get into. Gotta let them niggas on the stoop see me bring that bent through. Up the block, can't fuck with them dudes. Them niggas in the cops is Fonzie. They type cool, handsome, plus smooth. Shorty like, why would I date you? Mommy, I'm that nigga. You should be thinking, why would I scrape you? Took the fuck off of her forehead, she gave me a slight grin. Her friend said in Spanish, bitch, you should wife him. Didn't know I was fluent. Got number to type in. She loved that I'm rugby down, knew these jeans constructive. Niggas, I'm destined to be smoother than Goldie, slicker than Rick. This pimp saw the storytelling's a great gift. Ever since young, Nintendo orange gun was taught to spray shit. These niggas be all talk. Beef, I'm all for. Cook it with 4-4. Jump on the horn. Bryson Dex, where y'all niggas at? They told me they uptown on 4-4. But singles they call shorts. No more, enough said. Me and Steve on the Brooklyn Bridge about to hit the FDR praying to God I don't go out like bloodshed.
It's not that intense, man. Come on, team.
Okay.
Look, my bitch be bugging me like DD in that laboratory. Dutch filled up with dedication, looking for a bag of glory. Now what's the saddest story? Being broke or statutory. So I'm getting paid, raping the game, be happy for me.
Well,
my
damn.
bitches ain't scared to go. Shanae bitch, they ready to go.
Come on.
And I'm on my board, stay on the move, so give me head to go. No obstructions in my lane, we're cruising in the exit road. Love my family, X and O, I might just be the next to blow. Hey mama, you never know. Spitting metaphors can get me paid. That cheddar flow. And I got a handful of them spades. You better fold. Run the Boston on the beat. You sit there like a vegetable. Bahama mama in the cut rolling Obama ganja. Something.
Yeah.
Say more money, more problems, but it's all about the Benjamins. For the right price, you get killed by your friends in them. Even though they carry work across state for a gentleman, you gotta keep your eyes out for the little Kims in them. Cause they get knocked, you snitching and giving descriptions. Now you gotta find a way to make your love come up missing. We all got Ferrari dreaming, YSL frame vision. Want to be in the back of the back. That's rich people talk, that's Maybach sitting. Hey yo, I'm summertime fly. Strolling Fifth Ave with my cool shit. I catch contact with Shorty, now we going through the motion. Now she's approaching. Off my first name, I gotta open. Oh, you him? Bitches brag. How real you keep it? I tell her shit cause it's my best secret. I rock rugby, prestigious. Smooth watching the diamond bloody Jesus. Talking that fly shit, got her speechless. But too much I'm leaking. Cause she could be one of them bitches from Eastwood. You know the ones Jada and Styles and Chic used to frequent. Told me her name was Cindy. I said, I bet your favorite show is Monkey Mindy. She said, nah, it's cute, but maybe she might not try to end me. So I proceed. I'm something every bitch need like a pair of Lou B's. Smile on her face is telling me she loving my damn G. Since everything I'm saying is mind blowing, I should stay at her place, sleep the night away. Just make sure I hit it in the morning.
Sit down. So they got hit the fifth time. They gonna do what I say.
Pick up.
Hey.
Come on.
Give my man cooking. Give my man cooking.
Oh, come on. Whip it. Fork. Knife. Come on. Oh. Come on.
Talk stupid, get your head pop. I got that ass, bitch. I'm red fox, big B's, red socks. I get money to kill time, dead clocks. You fucking with a nigga who don't give a fuck. Empty the clip and roll the window up. Pussy nigga sweet. Make you wobble for me, might have a heart attack. Girl, let's get when you talking low and we gon' bring it back.
Same shit every day. Cow shit. Pussy around and follow me on Twitter. UglyTV. I know what it is.
So you know where I'm at, nigga. Ferry Ernest, Ferry Hoover, at Ferry Hoover. Follow your boy, you feel me, for the ladies, you know what I'm saying? But fact for them fuck boys that be talking all that greasy shit, you know what I'm saying? We can battle anytime, anywhere. Real talk, like, I'm every fucking where, nigga. How much is you talking? That's all we got. Numbers talk. Women lie, men lie. So, you know, Carol, or you could Twitter us, you know what I'm saying, UglyTV. Watch the fucking video, you know what I'm saying? I got about 300 views right now. Claps to me, nigga, claps to me. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to everybody that was in the fucking video. To the Blood Gang, ENT Gang, you know what I'm saying? Ferry, what up, you know what I'm saying? Delavan, Newburgh, what up, my uptown niggas. We out here just doing it, keeping it local, doing us, you know what I'm saying? But back to them fuck boys. Holla at your boy, man. If you ain't got $1.50 or better, I'm taking the light on you fuckboy niggas, cause I know you niggas is broke. It's a recession out here. Niggas saying recession this is recession that. Nigga, I stay puffing loud and I stay with dope, nigga. Call me when you want to battle, nigga. Hagen, H Block. I'm always over there too, nigga. What up?